Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your credit card or add another credit card on your Cash App account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now remember, if you want to add another credit card on your Cash App, your current credit card has to be removed, and you don't have to do it yourself. Once you enter your new credit card, your older one will be removed automatically. So let me just show you guys how you guys can enter your new credit card on Cash App. Alright, so first step, you want to open Cash App and click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now I haven't uploaded any profile picture, that's why showing this, so just click on it. And once you click on it, you can see this option called linked banks. And once you click on where it says linked banks, it's gonna show you all these like card which you have linked on your Cash App. So I want to change my credit card, so I'm gonna click on credit card. Once I click on my credit card, it's gonna give me these three options. From over here, I want to choose where it says replace. Now once I click on replace, it's gonna bring me to this place where I need to enter the 16-digit number of my credit card. Now after I enter the 16-digit number of my credit card, basically after this it's gonna ask me to enter the expiration date and the CVC number of my credit card. After I enter that, my new credit card will be linked with my Cash App and my older one will be removed. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can change your credit card and add another credit card on your Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.